Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts. Last and today, we have a mesmerizing species to explore, the STANHOPEA impressa. Join us as we delve into the captivating history, native range, unique description, ideal growing conditions, companion planting insights, and the diverse uses of this extraordinary living organism. Let's uncover the intriguing history of STANHOPEA impressa. This magnificent orchid is a member of the Stanhopeae genus, named in honor of the 4th Earl of Stanhope. Native to the lush tropical regions of Central and South America, it has earned endearing nicknames such as the upside-down orchid due to the way its flowers hang downwards. This epiphytic orchid boasts large, fragrant flowers with intricate patterns and stunning color variations. The vibrant blossoms feature intricate spotting and striping, making them a true marvel to behold. Its unique floral design has captivated plant enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. Creating the perfect environment for STANHOPEA impressa ensures its flourishing growth. As an epiphytic orchid, it thrives when attached to tree branches or placed in well-draining potting medium. This stunning beauty demands bright indirect light and enjoys ample airflow to mimic its natural habitat. Proper humidity levels and careful watering are key to its well-being. The STANHOPEA impressa makes an exceptional addition to any garden or orchid collection. Its hanging flowers create a striking display when grown alongside other epiphytic plants. Consider pairing it with ferns or bromeliads to add diversity and visual appeal to your gardening space. Beyond its ornamental value, STANHOPEA impressa plays a vital ecological role. As a pollinator-dependent orchid, it relies on specific insect species for successful reproduction. Preserving and cultivating this extraordinary orchid contributes to the preservation of unique ecosystems and biodiversity. Embrace its captivating history, unique features, and proper care to incorporate this exceptional orchid into your gardening and farming endeavors. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the diverse species of living organisms that grace our planet. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting explorations of nature's wonders. Happy gardening to all!